What is up, guys? This is Beast Gamer, and I'm back with another video of a review of guns. So my weapon of choice is the dual machine guns UP2. So here they are, and I'm gonna gotta say they're pretty fast and pretty killing with the Ruby armor players. And so, and yeah, they look really cool. I like the oh sorry, I like the textures, and they're more powerful than the, let's say, the Steam Revolver UP2, or I think the plasma rifle, and they're more powerful than the dual revolvers UP2. So, UP1, I mean, sorry. So let's get started with this video. And so, my days have been on pretty bad because of my brothers and sister. Okay, so let's do deathmatch. Yeah, let's do deathmatch. Let's go on custom. See, let's go paradise. Why not? I mean, yeah, I bought all the guns, and I think I made a video of it already on how to hack with no surveys at all. So it's gonna be pretty easy. We might go to my cousin's house tomorrow, and I'm gonna be like, "What's up?" Yeah, that's gonna be Battle Pix Gun 3D together. He's gonna be so surprised that I got better guns than him. Yeah. So, there's level 23, level 24. Okay, so, oh god. So let's get started with this. Refill this. Give me my jetpack. That's just gonna be so hard. Shoot this sucker. Shoot him. Oh, I'm getting visible potions. Visible potions. No. I forgot to put on my visible potions. Just trying to get this guy right here with the headshots. There we go. There. Yes. Oh. King must has to kill him somehow. Let's see. Let's kill this sucker. Kill him. Yeah, we killed him. Oh. Run. Okay. Wait, he just disappeared like nowhere. Where did he? Wait, how much people are here? Oh, that's pretty good. Decent people, at least. It's more than, I think, 5. Wait, let me go in here and suck this. Oh, I'll just say dude, but it's a girl. No. Pretty good. Okay, let's find her in here somewhere. Oh, no. Oh, I seen a course of her. Because I don't like her. She's an idiot. I don't even know about her. See if we can find any. Wait. 5 of us. I'm in the lead, huh? Oh, we found a suspect of my choice. Let's put this back on. Come on. See if we can get her. Wait, where's she going? No! Vanessa. Emily. Kill her. Yes. With headshots. Spend more ammo. Why not? I already got that hacking app. I'm gonna just buy more ammo. Okay, so you can find more in here. Oh, there's not. Wait. Holy crap. Yeah. Die. Oh, so close. 1 heart left. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Thanks. I need shields. I think I see someone in here. If not, then I'm screwed. And really surprising. Wait. Wait. Oh crap. What are they all at? They're freaking are all invisible somehow, I think. Come on. Oh, there. I see suspect. Oh gosh, no. I just put my visibility potions on. Gosh. Still a bomb. Why not? Just a bomb. Let's see if we can get her. And oh, Emily. Yeah, wait. You get that visible guy. Don't son of a duck. And wait. Oh gosh, it's right there. Look, get her. Oh, and he got him first before I did. Freaking so hard to freaking see. Somehow. You can see them, but you just can't like get a hold of them. Just get her. Do a machine gun, sucker. Oh, crap. Okay, oh gosh. It's in here. Try to get as many kills as I can. Shoot her in the head. Of course, I had no shields because I ran out of, I think, the automatic peacemaker UP2 from Emily. I think that's what's her name. No, not yet. Not this time, Emily. Not this time. Because you're gonna go to up in heaven. Now we're up in heaven. Oh, I should run out. Let's buy this. Yay. Okay. Let's see if we get another kills and buy this. Invisibility potions. Dang, people just don't quit, don't they? Why don't they come out instead of being invisible like I am? I think it's not for everything. Let's see. Over here. Well, I'm doing the moonwalk. I was doing the moonwalk, but but the other side. Wait, I hear them outside. Let's go outside. I'm scared. I see them. Let the fun begin. Wait, let's make sure we can see. I should see somebody just expect. Yeah. 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 This from above. I wonder who's even above. I'll check that one. Like this. Let's take this. Oh gosh. Get away. Shoo. Okay. Wanna run away? You deserve this. Come on. Hey, where's he going? Oh, wow. I think I saw that guy before. Okay. Let's see. No. Oh, oh, scared. Oh, gosh. Let's see who's in the lead right now. And let's take a place. Interesting. Interesting. I'm in second place. Very good. I'm gonna kill this. Come on. We do this. Yay. And I have a friendly suspect of mine here somewhere. Oh, it's a gamer. Yeah, he's a friend of mine. Actually, he's my brother. He's my brother, and but yeah, he's my brother, and I got him the hacking app for him. I also got a sister that has a hacking app too, and we'll be doing gameplays, like multiplayer gameplays sometimes, which I got on defeat. But yeah, sometime later on in my brother's YouTube channel, Insane Gamer. As for some of you, I know I kind of put it on my YouTube channel, but for the reason why is because child support. So what? Okay, I have child support. I'm gonna kill these noobs. No bosses. I mean, yes. No. Okay, you won't see me now, sucker. Thank you. Oh crap. Okay. Just kill this guy. Just kill him. No, I could. Oh, we both killed each other, and her name was Asina. I don't know. Asina. Asina. Don't want to be ya. Shoot. Shoot. I'm wasting my ammo. I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy more. There you go. Oh, where did they go? Oh my god. Run! Yeah. Spare jetpack 2. And let's kill these guys. And I think it's going on. Let's get her. Who's this guy? Insane Gamer. What interesting photos. Yeah, he's pretty good, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Except that I'm better than him. Is that him? I think that was him. And somebody killed you. Huh. I'm sorry for you, and if you're watching this video. Huh. Like, why am I even seeing this stuff? Yes. Die. Oh god, no. Oh, I can't see what's going on. Oh gosh, I almost got killed by him. Let's play some party games. Shall we, Insane Gamer? Let's go. No. King Kaza. What's up, King Kaza? Oh. Oh gosh, that was him. Oh, run! Help me! Oh, I can't play. Konnichiwa. Wait, what the fudge? Okay, I can see her. I can see her now. If I get a, defeat. And who won? Very interesting. So I'm gonna stop this video right here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the bottom of this video and put some words in the comments below about this video or something I need to improve or weapons review, anything else. I'm the Beast Gamer and peace out, people. Bye.